the responders on the Rizal earthquake.
Good morning, everyone.
Wait. Time start now.
Good morning, everyone. This is the operational period briefing for the Rizal earthquake incident. I am Danilo F. Vivero Jr., your planning section chief. Before we begin, kindly turn off your cell phones and radios. So let's begin. Before you come in here today, I hope you've already read the incident action plan that we uploaded to your drive. For our incident objective, please refer to ICS Form 2. So, to give us the current situation update, please welcome our Operations Section Chief.
Magandang hapon po, ako po yung Operations Section Chief, Mr. Perhen Abner. Makikita po natin sa ating mapa na ito po yung lugar na dinaanan ng earthquake. Ito po yung paralan na nasa lagda ng earthquake. National Road po hindi nadadaanan at saka yung po na extra. May mga kurente, wala po tayong kurente. Thank you.
Thank you, Operations Section Chief. So, since we don't have our meteorologist, so I will read the weather forecast. For the weather is fair wind at 17 km per hour out of the southwest, and we have 25 degrees Celsius. So, to give us the update about operational assignment, please welcome again our Operations Section Chief.
Good afternoon po. Ito po yung update natin record po na ICS 204. Safety and Security Group, where are you? Yes, sir. Assigned for the evacuation of the area and safety. Evacuation Group, where are you? Here. Transfer affected family to the barangay. Search and rescue, where are you? Rescue all persons. At saka mga na-apektado mga pamilya sa paaralan. People Support Group, where are you? Sure. Assign kayo sa mga evacuation center for conducting relief operation. Health group, where are you? Sure. Ma-assign po kayo dito sa medical station at saka sa evacuation center. Counseling support group, where are you? Here. You are assigned in the evacuation center for counseling sa mga apektadong pamilya po. Thank you. Now, clearing. Clearing po, where are you? Here. You are assigned for the clearing for the debris sa mga nasisirang kalsada at tunay. Maraming salamat.
Thank you again, Operations Section Chief. So, for the safety briefing, we have our safety officer.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Jay Zamora, your safety officer. So, before tayo mag-dispatch, siguraduhin po natin na protektado tayo ng ating mga safety gear. Mag-expect po tayo ng mga aftershocks and mga falling debris. With that, always talaga tayo, wag natin kakalimutan na mag-wear ng protective gear. And observe body system, watch his or her back. Then, pag may mga hindi covered ng instruction, always contact lang sa atin para mag-guide kayo ng maayos. And always inform the commander para align tayo sa ating mga objectives. Yun lang. Salamat.
Thank you, Safety Officer. So for the logistical concern, we have our Logistics Section Chief.
Good morning. I am Laura Misagal, your Logistics Section Chief. Para hit atong communication plan, please refer to ICS Form 205. Para naman po natin mga medical concerns, please refer to ICS Form 206. You are advised to bring your own water and your food will be distributed in your assigned area. Thank you and be safe.
Thank you, Logistics Section Chief. So to give us financial concerns, please welcome our Finance Admin Section Chief.
Good morning. I am Susana Robley, Financial Admin Section Chief. And all units must properly document expenses, personal types, and resource usage. All financial requests and claims should be coordinated with the financial section. Ensure complete and accurate records. Thank you.
Thank you, Finance Admin Section Chief. So for information plan updates, Please update us, Public Information Officer.
Good morning, respondents. I am Triksha Canlapan, the Public Information Officer. So as of this moment, we anticipate a large presence of media personnel and spectators at all of the affected areas. So all responders are reminded to not give any information or details to the media at this time. Official information will be released to proper channels, and official updates will be released every 3 hours through radio, municipal information desk, and we also have an updated bulletin posted located at our base. And we also have a press conference scheduled at room 88 at exactly 1100 hours. And please direct all media inquiries at the Public Information Office. That is all for now, and further updates will follow as more verified information becomes available. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Public Information Officer. So for cooperating agencies, we have our liaison officer.
Good day everyone, I am Mario Bustinano, your liaison officer. For the information, nagbigay po ng food packs si Adox at saka si Jollibee. And to other coordinating agency na magbibigay pa ng tulong, please bear with me and contact me with my cellphone number 0997-270-9965. Thank you.
Thank you, liaison officer. So for the closing comment, please welcome our incident commander.
Thank you. All right. First and foremost, thank you to my IMT friends. That was comprehensive and complete. And just a few reminders. Please be reminded that someone out there, a kid, baby, is under the rubble, waiting to be rescued. Hungry families that needs to be fed. Wounded people that needs to be treated. These are real people, and they need real people like you. They often say that not all heroes wear capes. That is true. Sometimes they wear reflectorized vests. The municipality of Rizal is very proud of you and to what you'll do. God bless everyone.
Thank you, Incident Commander. So, all groups, please proceed to your respective breakout rooms for detailed planning and coordination. So, for safety and security camp group, go to room 1. For the evacuation group, room 2. So, for search and rescue retrieval group, room 3. And for the health group, room 4. For the people support group, room 5. For the clearing and restoration group, room 6. And for the counseling support group, room 7. So our next operational period briefing is on the 500 hours on the next day, same venue. Please turn on your phone now and radios. So good luck, God bless, and thank you.